Well, we've come across our first staircase lock. It's massive, isn't it?
I think it's about 2 locks.
Yeah, just 2 locks, but it's a little bit intimidating because we've never done one before.
Yeah.
We shall see how we get on.
Yep.
Fingers crossed.
This is Oddie Locks, just outside of Leeds city centre, and as we said, it's our first staircase lock.
So it says remove all anti-vandal handcuff padlocks. The bottom lock needs to be empty, the top lock needs to be full. Make sure all paddles are fully closed and follow instructions.
All the paddles are ahead of you.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but I really like these old ground paddles, and we'd never come across them until we got to Leeds city centre off the Huddersfield Canal. We were met at this point by a gentleman called Reg, and being a solo boater, he asked if he could share the locks with us. We were more than happy to do this, and we moored up on the right hand side, had a drink, and then helped Reg out. It was a bit odd watching Reggie's boat go along by itself, but what was even weirder were the number of people that just looked at it and didn't even notice there was nobody at the tiller.
We're at Spring Garden Lock, and it just took 2 of us to use all of our weight and force to to close one of the gates, and the other one's the same, really difficult. This is a good excuse not to lose weight. We've got Reg following us up the lock to Rodley. Is it an all-electric boat?
No.
Oh.
No, it's not even a hybrid.
What was it you were asking, weren't you?
What, pardon?
Yeah, what is his boat? Part electric?
No, it's not even hybrid. It's just got a remote mechanism on it. It's 50 horsepower engine.
Brill. Nice chap.
It's a real nice boat actually as well.
Yeah, lovely boat.
I know he's had a piece of me. A bit of crust, a bit of cheese. Veg. Right. Natto.
Baltic. Well, this bit's nicer than we thought, but we just had a cup of coffee and pizza. It helps, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Only a piece or 2 pizza, and we feel guilty because of all these people jogging past and we're troughing pizza, and that's Anthony's empties that I've just tapped.
Don't think
On the
so.
floor.
Actually, it probably is.
Alright. We've just passed about 6 people magnet fishing. We thought they were trying to get the boat.
Yeah. What's this? Oh, this might be a marina.
Oh, yeah. I don't. It won't sell for you, like I would have said, wouldn't it?
Not necessarily.
Can't believe how clear the water is. It's just almost crystal clear.
Yeah.
Probably a lack of traffic.
Yeah, we haven't seen many boats, have we?
No. We really struggled with those last 2 lock gates. Really, really heavy and really stiff. My logic was thinking like the paddles on the gates, the lock mechanisms, that if you give it push and then pull, that seemed to work. Almost like
logical.
Yeah. Perfectly logical.
Really?
Yeah, I'm like Spock of Star Trek. Highly intelligent and very logical. What are you thinking of, Anthony? By the way, can you do this? I can do that, but I can't do it with my left hand. It's impossible. Well, it's not. I've seen people do it.
You're not Spock then, are you?
Well, yeah, I'm at practice. Go on then, weirdo. That's not right.
You're right.
Yeah. So have we asked you this already? Is it starboard or starboard?
I think we might have done.
I think we chatted about this before. But what was I asking you before? I was saying that might be something good to mention.
Oh yeah.
Really? Yeah.
Some lady just said there's a high-speed boat chase at 4 miles an hour.
Yeah. I've remembered what it was. We were talking to our friend the other day, Jude, about the last time we went clubbing, and she said, oh yeah, clubbing. Yes sir, I can boogie. We were crying laughing, because we said, how long is it, Jude, since you went to a club? She wasn't impressed. So what was the last thing that you heard in a nightclub that you can remember? What about yourself?
Oh. Well, I used to, probably things people haven't heard of. I used to like quite a lot of dance music.
Oh yeah.
When he used to go to the Paradise Factory in Manchester, he used to love it there.
I'm surprised you could stand up when you were out clubbing, never mind dance.
Yeah, I was a cracking little dancer.
Cracking little dancer.
Like our friend Kerry.
Yeah, our friend Kerry's a cracking little dancer apparently.
According to a partner.
We'll get Kerry to send a video.
We've never experienced it, have we?
No, we'll get Kerry to send a video. So Reg has been saying he's thinking of changing his boat name to Yes It Is, because it is remote control, and it's weird to see it in operation because the throttle's moving by itself, and the boat obviously, and people are looking at it and asking, is it remote controlled? I said he should get some invisible thread and hang some glasses where the captain would be at the tiller. That'd look great, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I think he's going to try that. We've still not got fuel, but I did check the fuel tank this morning. We're about a third full. I know we do need
still got a jerry can, haven't we?
You've still got a jerry can. I'll put that in when we stop, when the engine's cool down, it's a bit cooler. And we also checked the weed hatch, and as you probably saw, found a bikini.
Oh yeah, I don't know who's been swimming in the canal.
No. It wasn't a yellow polka dot bikini either.
No, it wasn't itsy bitsy either.
No. It was actually.
Was it?
Itsy bitsy.
It didn't look itsy bitsy when you tried to get out.
No. I was going to say, tried it on. I didn't try it on. Went straight in the bin. Right, I'm going to show how clear this water is. We've no idea how far Rodley is. We're so organised.
We could get on that real-time Open Canal plan to have a look.
Dexter's laid down. I'm so pleased because it's taken him nearly, well, about 10 months, hasn't it, to get used to the boat moving and finally settling. He's normally exhausted because he's pacing backwards and forwards on the stern of the boat the whole time we're cruising. He's learning. I think he's more worried about one of us standing on him. Anthony thinks we've just passed a Spanish marina.
And then Paul tried to take the mickey, but said it in a Scouse accent, so that sort of backfired.
What was it called?
Air Valley Marina.
Say it how you said it though.
Is that Air Valley Marina?
Air Valley Marina.
It's because I've been talking about Argentina and the lady this morning.
Right, can we film this? So, mile marker, 3.5 miles from Leeds. Wait till I pass it and see how many miles to Liverpool. Reggie's right on our tail now. How many miles?
124.
124 miles to Liverpool. Well, this has got a bath floating on the back.
I wonder if it'd still float if you got in it though.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Come on.
Do you know what? Cracked me up. I thought there was something coming towards us then.
Yeah.
It's a reflection of the boat. And that. It's very unusual, isn't it?
Fabulous, isn't it?
Cool. Little boat when he wants to go places, look.
Yeah. If I put the feet away, try and fly in the drone. Overhead.
Oh, that's nice. Give me really.
I'll bring it back up in a minute.
Oh, no, that's nice for you, put it away. You alright?
Yeah. Alright. Ah, so this is our second staircase lock. I'd get the drone up, but there's cables right overhead. Hey? I've done. Yeah. Oh, the gate? I thought you meant the paddles, sorry. Yeah, thank you. I'll get down.
It was nice to share the locks with someone, and I definitely believe in fate. Reg was such a great character, and I believe he's become a lifelong friend.
Anthony, what's red?
I definitely have. I have definitely returned it.
Brilliant. I'm getting on with you.
Okay, you have to knock out each other. Hi. You alright? I'm going Chuck, there's a lot coming up from watch your head. Yeah. Alright? Yeah, good, and you? Maybe that was a lot longer actually.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, OTRT. Hey.
You know what I think? Oh, he's opened the gate. One gate.
Yeah.
Yeah, get off. Oh. Oh, watch two times. Didn't you say?
As we approached our third staircase lock of that day, it was so nice to see a CRT volunteer.
Thank you. We've got another boat behind us. Can I get in?
Yeah.
Do you need any help?
Got my coffee.
What's the on? Well, I hope it worked.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
The other thing, mine, I didn't bother with the pedal when we got the pedal in and all that. Mine's
Yeah.
just a drop, big and simple. I thought on the tow path, you get a blade of grass getting it down there. I've got a figure in there.
Yeah, it's over there, isn't it?
I'll wait here and you can get me later.
Cool, thank you. Alright. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Welcome, take care now.
And you.
It's swinging nice again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe we're just not phased.
Sorry?
Maybe we're just phased by certain areas. Oh, phased by the smell. Look at this beautiful property on the left. I think this is our last swing bridge of the day before we get to Rodley. I hope so. Thank you. Just trying to watch that chain.
Well, we can suss it ourselves, can't we?
Well, we made it to Rodley.
Yeah, it's been quite a long day, hasn't it?
It has. We were told 5 hours. It took about 6, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But we did help Reg. She was a solo boater and really nice guy. And we took our time and done a bit of photography, haven't we?
Yeah, yes, it's been, and the weather's been held off. It's been real nice.
Stunning.
Yeah.
So the plan is now I'm going to get an Uber back, which is quite a long way, the other side of Leeds.
Yeah.
Probably about half-hour ride, isn't it?
So we couldn't use the bike because some of it was river route, so you can't follow the towpath. There's no towpath from the rivers. Otherwise, we'd have cycled back, wouldn't we?
Yeah, I think it would have took a good hour or two,
Yeah.
though, don't you? In rush hour traffic.
So Paul's going to come back with a car here, and then Reg is going to treat us to a pint, he said, for help along
Helping
the
out. It's very nice, isn't it?
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching.
Yep, take care.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.
Yep, like and subscribe if you haven't already. That'd be a big help.
Yeah, it really does help our channel.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for watching.
Take care.
Have a good week. Bye.
Bye.